Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Reasoning Model Paper 2. This is very important when you prepare for SSC CGL, Combined Graduation Level Examination. In this model paper, there are 25 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total marks 50. Now coming to first question, there are 3 rows and 4 columns in this question. We have to find the missing number. First of all, find out the relation in between these numbers. If you observe these numbers, here 25 plus 15 is 40. 25 plus 15 is 40. Then from 40, how we get 8? Suppose 40 by 5, then we get 8. Apply this same logic to third row. 45 plus 15 is 60. Then divided by 5 equal to 12. Apply this same logic to second row. 65 plus 25 equal to 90. Then 90 by 5 equal to 18. What is the answer? 18 is the answer. Option A. Now see second question. There are 4 rows and 3 columns. First of all, observe the relation in between these numbers. See here, observe this column. Here 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 3 is 9 and 4 into 4 is 16. Then 8 into what is 64? 8 into 8 is 64. So option B is answer. Otherwise, see here 4 by 2 division. 4 by 2 equal to 2. Then 9 by 3 equal to 3. Coming to third row, 16 by 4 equal to 4. Then 64 by 8 equal to 8. We can think like that also. Answer is the same, that is 8. Directions for 3 and 4th questions. In each of the following questions, which answer figure will complete the given question figure? Observe this question figure. 3 parts of this question figure is given. We have to fill 4th part. I want to draw a line like this. Diagonal lines. Diagonal lines are completed. Then here, observe this. There are 2 circles. In these 3 parts, there are 2 circles. Write 2 circles like this. Then see, write another circle here. One more circle here. So what is the answer option? 4th option. Option D. See 4th question. Some part of the figure is given. To complete this figure, what is the answer from answer figures? Observe this. This part in this side is given. There is no this part and there is no this part. So to complete this portion, draw like this and draw like this. This is the answer. Which figure? 4th one. D. Now see 5th question. 6 girls A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting on the ground. A and B belong to Ruby house. For suppose see, this is Ruby house. In this Ruby house, how many members are there? 2. One is A and other one is B. A and B are belong to Ruby house, while the rest belong to Emerald house. What is the name of another house? Emerald house. In this house, there are 4 members, C, D, E, and other one is. Now see, D and F are tall, while others are short. D and F. 2 members are tall when compared to other members. Remaining members are short. C and D wearing glasses. C and D wearing glasses, while others are not wearing. What is the question? Which girl of Emerald house is tall and is wearing glasses? Tall and is wearing glasses. See here, which is a common in these two? D is a common. This D is present in Emerald house or not? Yes. D is present in Emerald house. So, answer is D. Option C. Directions for 6 to 9 questions. In each of the following questions, select the one which is different from the other three responses. See sixth question, nose, ears, vestibular, eyes. Nose, ears and eyes. These are sense organs. Except C, these three are sense organs. What about vestibular? This is a part of inner ear. So this is odd man out. Our answer is option C, vestibular. Coming to seventh question, 69, 23. What is the relation in between these two? 23 into 3 is 69. And here 19 into 3 is what? 57, not 56. 36 into 3 is 108. Okay. And 14 into 3 is 42. Okay. Option A, C, D. These three follows same rule. Option B is wrong. That is odd man out. Because in the place of 56, answer is 57. So 19 into 3 is 57, not 56. So answer is option B. Coming to eighth question, which is odd man out, which is different from other numbers, 2, 13, 51, 24. If you observe these numbers, 13 is different from remaining numbers because remaining numbers are composite numbers. Only 13 is a prime number. So option A is answer. Ninth question, which is odd man out, Y 25, U 21, Q 17, M 13, S 19, O 15, K 11, J 10, R 18, N 14, J 10, F 6. Here T is a 20, P is a 16th letter, and L is a 12th letter, and I is a 9th letter. These are positions of letters in options. 25 minus 4 is 21, and 21 minus 4 is 17. 17 minus 4 is 13. And here 19 minus 4 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. But here not minus 4, that is minus 1. 11 minus 1 is 10. And here 18 minus 4 is 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. And 10 minus 4 is 6. And here 20 minus 4 is 16. And 16 minus 4 is 12. And 12 minus 3, not minus 4. Option A and option C both are maintaining same rule. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. But option B and option D are different. Apply another logic for this ninth question. Observe these options. In first option, there is U. U is oil. And B, O is oil. And D, in option D, I is oil. Observe C, option C, R, N, J and F. There is no oil. So this is odd man out. R, N, J, F. Because there is no oil. Coming to 10th question. Some equations are solved on the basis of a certain system. On the same basis, find out the correct answer for the unsolved equation. Observe this. 4 minus 5 minus 1. 5, 1, 4. This number is formed by these three numbers. But order is different. See, 5, 1 and 4. 5, 1, 4. Here 5, 6, 3. Like that here 6, 8, 0. 6, 8, 0 is answer. Option A. Now see 11th question. Kailash walks 3 kilometers to east and turns south and walks 4 kilometers. Kailash walks 3 kilometers to east. Suppose this is a starting point. He walks 3 kilometers to east and turns south. This is the south direction. Turns south and walks 4 kilometers. Again turns west and walks 6 kilometers. This is west direction, 6 kilometers. How far is he from the starting point? We have to find out the distance from this point to this point. This is ending point and this is a starting point. Now to find out this distance, I want to draw like this. This is a triangle, a right angled triangle. Here, from this portion to this portion, how much distance? 4 kilometers. So this is also 4 kilometers. Because this is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. And up to here, from this part to this part, 6 kilometers. But here, from this portion to this portion, how much? 3 kilometers. This is the 3, then remaining part is 3. We know two sides of this triangle. We have to find out third side, that is largest side, hypotenuse. If you know Pythagoras triplets, then directly we can answer 3, 4, 5. 5 kilometers is the answer, option D. Otherwise, right formula. Here hypotenuse is square. We don't know hypotenuse. So x square is equal to 3 square adjacent square plus 4 square. Opposite side square. 9 plus 4 square is 16. That equal to 25. X is equal to root over 25. We have to take only positive value, that is a 5. 5 kilometers is the answer. Now see 12th question. Identify which one of the given alternatives will be another member of the group of that class. Lucknow, Patna, Bhopal and Jaipur. All these are capitals of some states. Suppose Lucknow, it is the capital of UP, Uttar Pradesh, and Patna, it is the capital of Bihar, and Bhopal, it is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, and Jaipur, it is the capital of Rajasthan. See first option, Simla, it is the capital of what? Himachal Pradesh. So answer is option A. No need to check remaining options. If you observe remaining options, Mysore, Pune, Indore, all these are cities. Coming to third question, look at the series 36, 34, 30, 28, 24. What number should come next? Here 36 becomes 34 means minus 2 and 34, 30 minus 4. Here minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4 series. Then what will be the next one? Minus 2. 24 minus 2 is 22. Option B. Now see 14th question. Arrange the letters of each group to make a meaningful word and then find odd one out. First of all, arrange the letters of each and every group of letters. VENS. Means here, meaningful word is 7. Option B, divide. And option C, 4. Option D, 8. Now observe these 4 options: 7, divide, 4, 8. Except option B, remaining are numbers. So answer is option B. 15th question. In a certain code language, 481 means sky is blue. 246 means sea is deep. 698 means sea looks blue. What is the code for blue? Where is blue? In second one and in first one and in third one there is a blue word. Blue and here blue. Now compare first one and third one. 481 and 698. What is the common in these two? 8 is a common. So code for blue is 8. 16th one. Identify the pair which does not exhibit the same relationship as the capitalized pair. Etymology is to words. S. The study of words is nothing but etymology. First option, mind, psychology. S. The study of mind is called psychology. And second option B, the study of body is called anatomy. And third one, antiques. The study of antiques is nothing but archaeology. S. And option D is answer, language and philosophy. That is wrong. The study of knowledge is nothing but philosophy. So option D is answer. 17th question. Which one of the given responses would be a meaningful order of the following? There are 5 words: crop, root, stem, seed, flower. Suppose this is seed. After sowing a seed, we get some roots. This is root and this is seed. So first one is seed, fourth one, and the next one is root. So second, and third one is stem. Okay, stem, tree. Then fourth one is flower, and next last one is a crop. 4, 2, 3, 5, 1 is the answer. Option D. Directions from 18th to 20th questions. In each of the following questions, from the given alternative words, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. 18th one, inconvenience. First option is convince. S. We can make a convince from inconvenience. And option B, we can make convene. Okay. And option C, observe option C. In option C word, there is a letter S. Is there any S in 18th word? Inconvenience? No. So answer is option C. Next, 19th one, distribution. Disturb, we can make disturb. Tuition, we can make tuition. And option C is situation. C, situation. There is a letter A. Is there any A in distribution? No. So answer is option C. 20th question, superintendent. Intense. We can make intense from this word. And nurse, okay. Dentist, okay. Next, doctor. There is no wo in this word. So answer is doctor, option D. If Rome is written as more and dare is written as what? Here Rome. Rome is written as more. Same letters but order changed. See, more, M-O-R-E. Apply that direction to this word dare. R-A-D-E. Directions for 22nd and 23rd questions. In each of the following questions, arrange the following words as per order in the dictionary. Make these 5 words in a dictionary order. First of all, observe this. CONS is common in all words. All 5 words, CONS is common. Observe options. In all these 4 options, first one is 3. So confirm, first one is 3. Eliminate this third word. Next, compare these 4. Consciousness. CONS. After S, there is C. Okay. Here see SCIE. Now see SCIO. Eliminate this one. Next, compare these 3. After S, there is U. After S, there is E. Okay. 4 and 5. Compare 4 and 5. SEQ. So, fifth one. Next, fourth one. Next, first one. 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. Option A is answer for 22nd one. 23rd one is try yourself and write answer in comment section. 23rd question. Now coming to 24 and 25th questions. 24th one is related to syllogisms concept. Statements. There are 2 statements followed by 2 conclusions. First of all, draw Venn diagram by using statements. Some politicians are social workers. This is politicians circle. This is for social workers. This is some portion. Some politicians are social workers. First statement is completed. Second statement, all doctors are social workers. All doctors are social workers. So entire circle of doctors is present inside of social workers. This is a Venn diagram. Now coming to conclusions, first conclusion, some doctors are politicians. Some doctors are politicians. We can't say because there is no relation in between doctors and politicians. So first one is wrong. Second one, some social workers are doctors? Yes, up to here that is correct. Some social workers are doctors. This is some part. Okay, up to here that is true. But here there is a word as well as. Some social workers are doctors as well as politicians. That is wrong. As well as politicians means this some portion of doctors must be politicians. That is wrong. So second conclusion also wrong. But suppose in the second conclusion, some social workers are doctors or some social workers are politicians, then that will be the correct answer. Okay, some social workers are doctors as well as politicians is wrong. So, answer is neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. 25th question. The crop condition continues to be critical even after the rains. This is not syllogism's question, general statement and conclusions. And see here in the statement, the crop condition continues to be critical even after the rains. Means before rains, the crop condition was critical. That is true. But here was not critical is false. The second conclusion, the crop condition was expected to improve after the rains. The crop condition was critical before rains. That's why they have expected if it rains, then the crop condition will be improved. So, second conclusion is true. Answer is only conclusion 2 follows. I hope you understand all these 25 questions. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.